Am I the only one that didn't know CRO isn't just another random crypto token? Turns out it's packed with real-world benefits. Here's the scoop. Crypto.com is more than just an app to buy and sell crypto. It's your all-in-one platform for everything digital currency. Exchange wallet brokerage payments defy seriously. A one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. But what about CRO? CRO is the native coin of Crypto.com. Think of it as your VIP pass across the entire platform. Here's how it works. First, holding CRO gets you trading perks. You'll score lower fees on the exchange. If you're into lending or staking, CRO turbocharges your earnings with higher interest rates. That's more crypto in your pocket just for holding some CRO. Second, CRO powers the Crypto.com payment system. Pay with CRO at tons of merchants, get cashbacks. Settle transactions lightning fast on their blockchain. It's easy, it's quick, and you get rewarded. And here's the kicker for cardholders. If you stake CRO, you unlock major benefits. Think airport lounge access. Juicy cashback on every spend, exclusive rewards. Imagine swiping your card, earning crypto, and chilling in a lounge on your next trip. Plus, CRO isn't just a coupon coin. It's the backbone for the Cronos blockchain, acting as the settlement layer between different digital assets. That means it's useful. It actually does stuff behind the scenes, not just sitting in your wallet. So next time you see the Crypto.com logo or spot CRO on an exchange, remember, it's way more than a ticker symbol. It's your ticket to an upgraded crypto experience. Want to level up? CRO might be your new best friend.